Hey everyone, thanks for sticking with me. Last time I shared a harrowing experience that left me physically and emotionally drained. This time, I want to talk about the years that followed, a period of rebuilding and unexpected blessings. For the next few years, I made a conscious effort to break free from toxic relationships. My focus shifted to stability, to creating a solid foundation for myself. I moved a few times, each move a small step towards a better life. Of course, life isn't always a smooth upward climb. Just when things seemed to be falling into place, I got caught trying to help an ex-girlfriend out of a bad situation. A false police report, false charges, another blow when I least expected it. The knock on the door, the sight of police officers sent chills down my spine. But even facing potential jail time, there was a flicker of hope. Thanks to connections from previous jobs, I was able to secure affordable legal counsel. Ultimately, my employer's relationship with a powerful attorney helped get the charges dropped. This incident, however, served as a wake-up call. A change of scenery was needed. A way to get some distance and focus on work. Moving closer to my employer provided a sense of stability, a chance to focus on career advancement. And focus I did. A promotion followed, as well as 2 awards recognizing my hard work. Those awards weren't just trophies on the shelf. They were a feeling of accomplishment I hadn't had in years. During this time, something else shifted within me. I started attending a local church regularly. The Bible tells us in Proverbs 3, 5, and 6, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight." Surrounding myself with a faith-based community where trusting God was paramount felt like a step in the right direction. The road to healing wasn't always easy, but stepping into a church felt like a step towards the light.